This is Molly from Honetop Machinery Machine. Today we will test your bag sample and powder product. In our rotary pack machine, you can check bag widers. This is 280 millimeter. We will pack 2.8 kilogram into each bag. We will take a video to show 20 seconds on each working station.
Okay, so we start from here. That's called the auger feeding conveyor to automatic feed powder into the machine. See? So you can put some more powder into this auger conveyor and then go into the auger wheel. This one. Okay, then we back to the rotary packing machine. We start from here. Okay. So that is automatic to run the machine. And the first station we call the bag feeding conveyor. Sorry, bag feeding. And we can see this part. That's controlled by the vacuum cup to get the bags into the station. Okay, we see from the front. To the next station. This station we have two functions. One is for zipper opener and this is for the data printer. So we move to this position to see better. This is for the data printer. You can see that it can print 3 lines. Each line print 12 to 16 letters. You can print today's production date or something. For the running, for how to print into the bag. And that's why it's for zipper opener. And this controlled by the servo motor. The brand of servo motor is Wechat from Japan. So you can see that it's automatic to open zipper by this servo button. Okay, so after servo motor to open the zipper opener, then move to the third station is for the bag open. That's have top and bottom bag to open. So it's better for you to see clearly. Okay, next station is for filling powder. So we fill the powder into this jar. From the hopper. And if this bag not open completely, the powder will not to fill it. Okay, then we move to the next station. Yeah, this station is for sealing. Sealing 1 and sealing 2. So we move to this step. Okay, then this is for the final bag. We can test. We can put one bag from here. Okay, so we test the weight we get. Okay, next one. Okay. Okay. Okay, so this is for test 2.8 kilograms. So we continue to take this video, and you, for example, now you have two sizes. You send to us, big one and a small one. How to change it from big to small one? So let Molly to introduce you. See, that is for the bag station, right? So if this is small one, so we should to adjust this hand wheel to get a shorter size. 可以跟他调整一下。
这个你就
档期了不？
讲一下就好了。
哦 So that is for the bag length. Okay. So we to show you the for this different bag size into this station, and the next station is for that one. You see, that one has 8 pairs of bag cramping, and that one is we can to change from here. So after you change from here, that one is automatic to change the bag width size. And because now we will test another similar size of later, so we just show you this function. And then that is for the station, is for zip opener and for the data printer. And you know, if the different bag size, so should be adjust the data printer. So unlock it. Then use this hand wheel. So you will see the different height of the position for the data printer. Okay, and for the left or right, it's controlled by this screw. You should to lose this screw to get the different position you want. So that is for the different bag size. So next one is for bag open and bottle open. So it's the same. So they have two screws. Then you lose it to get the different the position you want, depending on the bag size. Okay. So next station is for this, for filling, and we will make the hopper. The hopper depends on your bag size. If your bag size is very big, so we make the hopper is bigger depending on your bag size. Okay, so that one will be very easy to change. And the next station, you can see that one we call the zipper close function. And from the quotation, you don't have this function. But if you want, we can add this function to you, and it needs another cost. Because you see, before you sealing, we will use this function to close this zipper. So then will be sealing. So that means you will get the bag with zipper closed. It will be better for the powder. You know, the powder will go up, so the here will be very dirty. So if you want this function, then you can talk with Molly about the cost. And the next station is for sealing. They have two functions for sealing 1 and sealing 2. Okay. And then this is another sealing 2. Then with the output convenience. So this is the functions for rotary packing machine. And later we will show you to test this small bag size. This one. Okay. Thank you so much.